Welcome back to Product Critique, where we give you an in-depth look at the best products out there. Today, we're reviewing the best Pipishell Fabric Dresser, a versatile storage solution that will help you organize and maximize space in any room of your home. Whether you're in need of a functional dresser for your bedroom, living room, hallway, or even your nursery, this is a piece you don't want to miss. Let's dive into the features that make this dresser stand out. First off, the Pipishell Fabric Dresser is made with a sturdy steel frame and a solid wooden top that gives it a robust and durable structure. It's designed to handle heavy-duty use, making it the perfect solution for organizing clothes, toys, office supplies, or anything else you need to store away. The 4 spacious fabric drawers are easy to pull out and are ideal for organizing your items in a neat and tidy manner. One of the great things about this dresser is its space-saving design. Measuring 11.8 inches in depth, 16.5 inches in width, and 37.2 inches in height, this unit fits perfectly into narrow spaces. Whether you need extra storage in a small bedroom, dorm room, or even between appliances like a washer and dryer, the Pipishell Fabric Dresser fits the bill. It's a great option for anyone with limited space but plenty to store. Another feature that sets this dresser apart is its adjustability. The 4 adjustable feet allow you to level the dresser on uneven floors, ensuring it stays stable no matter where you place it. This makes it perfect for areas with fluctuating floor surfaces, like tile, wood, or carpet. Assembly is quick and easy. The dresser comes with clear instructions and all the necessary tools, so you can have it up and running in no time. This is ideal for those who don't want to spend hours putting together complicated furniture. Plus, the lightweight design makes it easy to move around as needed. The minimalist design of the Pipishell Fabric Dresser means it will complement any room decor. Its light gray color is neutral enough to blend seamlessly with a variety of interior styles, and its clean, modern look is sure to add a touch of elegance to any space. Whether you're looking to organize your bedroom, living room, or even your hallway, the Pipishell Fabric Dresser offers a simple and stylish solution. It combines functionality, durability, and design to meet all your storage needs. So, if you're in need of a versatile, sturdy, and space-efficient dresser, the Pipishell Fabric Dresser is a fantastic option. That's all for today's review of the best Pipishell Fabric Dresser. If you're looking for an easy and effective way to tidy up your space, this dresser is definitely worth considering. Be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.